car is a complex combination of many different components brought together into one single system. You probably don't pay much attention since it requires little or no care, but it is important to understand that even the slightest malfunction can lead on to costly complications very quickly. Checking levels and ensuring you carry out just a few simple checks can help avoid or even prevent hugely expensive repair work. To check your levels, ensure that the engine is cold and the car is flat on the ground. Take the oil gauge out of its sheath. Once removed, wipe it off using a paper towel. Put it back in. Then take it out once more. The end of the gauge is stripped. The optimal level is near the maximum, but be careful to never go over it. You risk breaking the engine. If you notice that the level is low, open the filling cap and add a little oil. By a little oil, we're only talking about a few 100 millimeters, no more. After wiping down the gauge, put it back into the sheath to check the level again. Repeat the filling process until you reach the perfect level. It is very important to check this level frequently. Coolant is just as important as oil in terms of engine function. It is vital. Open the expansion tank cap and fill it to the maximum level. Be careful never to go over the maximum level indicated. And never carry out this process when the engine is hot. The brake fluid tank also contains level indicators. When the level goes down, this leads to wear and tear of the brake rivets. Wear is compensated for by the pistons, which move further out, thus increasing the brake circuit. This allows it to include more fluid, and as a result, there's a reduction in the brake fluid level. If the level is below the maximum, correct it by adding liquid. Take advantage of this moment to add washer pump fluid to the tank if necessary.